Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Brinks camera to a Wi-Fi network in a very simple and easy way. If you have just bought a Brinks security camera and don't know how to set it up, don't worry. This video will help you step by step, so let's get started. First, you need to install the app on your phone. Go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Brinks Home Security app, download and install the app. After installing, open the app and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one easily. Now, plug in your Brinks camera. Wait for a few seconds until you see a blinking light on the camera. This blinking light means your camera is ready to connect. If there is no blinking light, press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Next, make sure your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Important tip: your Wi-Fi should be 2.4 GHz, because most cameras do not support 5 GHz networks. Also, keep your camera close to the Wi-Fi router during setup. Now open the app, tap on the Add Device or Plus button, select Camera from the list. The app will now ask you to enter your Wi-Fi name and password, enter the correct details and tap Next. Now, the app will show a QR code on your phone screen. Hold your phone in front of the camera lens. Keep a small distance, around 6 to 8 inches. Wait for a beep sound from the camera. This means the camera has scanned the QR code successfully. After that, the camera will start connecting to your Wi-Fi. Please wait for a few seconds. Once connected, the app will show a success message. Now you can give a name to your camera, like living room or front door. After that, you will be able to see live video on your phone. Your camera is now ready to use. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Smiling face with smiling eyes.